What's going on YouTube? In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can re-enable an add-in that has been disabled for whatever reason in Excel. And watch until the end because I want to show you how you can enable or disable all add-ins in Excel. So to re-enable an add-in that has been disabled for whatever reason, not working right or whatever, you go to File, go all the way down to Options, and then after clicking on Options, towards the bottom, you're going to see an options for add-ins. Click on Add-ins. And then after that, towards the bottom of the screen, you're going to see an option called Manage. So you're going to click on Manage, and not Excel add-ins, but you can click on Disable Items. And then here, after you click Go, you can then see any add-ins that have been disabled for whatever reason. Now, I don't really have anything right here, but if for some reason you find your add-in here, you can click your add-in, click Enable, and that will re-enable your add-in. And if that doesn't work, then you can click Manage Excel Add-ins, click Go, and here you can enable different add-ins. So let's just say for some reason you have an add-in that the box was unchecked, and then you can enable click Analysis Toolpack VBA, and then it will be re-enabled. You can also click on Browse, and if for some reason the add-in was deleted from your Excel, then you can click on Browse and then try to find the add-in from there, and then might have to re-download it like that if that was deleted for whatever reason. Now, let's just say you wanted to disable or enable all add-ins in Excel. To do that, you can go to File, go all the way down to Options, and then here it's not going to be in add-ins, but it's going to be in Trust Centers, and it's going to be kind of security settings surrounding your add-ins in Excel. So you can click on Trust Center Settings, and then you can click on add-ins. And here you can click this box right here to disable all add-ins, which may per functionality. And then to have this function work, you can click OK. I'm not going to click OK because I want my add-ins to work, but you can check this, and if for some reason your add-ins are disabled, you can uncheck that, and that will rename, and click OK, and that will rename your add-ins. You can also adjust the security settings too by requiring application add-ins to be signed by trusted providers. And you can also change trusted add-in catalogs, where here you can adjust your trusted web add-in catalogs. I'm not super familiar with this, but just kind of wanted to make a comment that it is here. If you're looking for it, so trusted catalog table, catalog URL, do add in web add-in, and you can adjust different web add-ins from here if you would like to. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. Hope this will help you enable your add-in. If that doesn't help, then if I were you, I would try to close out of Excel, go back in Excel. If you have to uninstall and reinstall Office, obviously that would be annoying to do, but you can do it if you need to. But I hope this will help you find your add-in that's not working. If you found this to be helpful, like, subscribe, comment, and thank you so much for watching and for your support. You have a fantastic day.